ईशान को तो आदत है सबकी चिंता करने की।
आप जाके अपनी चौहान से कह दीजिए कि मेरे ईशान की चिंता करनी बंद कर दे, क्योंकि उसके पास उसकी मंगेतर है उसकी चिंता करने की। तो ये था तुम्हारा जरूरी काम। तुम कितनी आसानी से झूठ भी बोलने लग गए हो। क्यों? ऐसा कर भी कैसे सकते हो तुम ईशान?
Savi now sends the wallet of Ishan that had got left at her place while Ishan had come to take care of her. And while Shukla comes to hand it over to Riva, Riva is once again paranoid that why Savi has to be everywhere around Ishan all the time. And then she sends a message through Shukla for Chavan. But not only that, she then also questions Ishan and why he has now started telling lies. He had said that he had some important work when they had to go for their shopping. So was this important work at Savi's home? But though Ishan tries to convince Riva and tell her the real reason, Riva is no mood to listen and leaves in a huff, while Surekha also leaves no stone unturned to tell Ishan that he now has to listen and do according to Riva, who is going to be his wife. But while alone, Ishan is now lost his heart to Savi and keeps looking at her photos and also compares both of his pictures with Riva as well as Savi. And then a battle with his own subconscious mind makes him take a stand that he will now tell Riva that he cannot marry her as he loves Savi and can only be happy with her. But will destiny allow Ishan to be Savi's or Riva's? Keep watching as Surekha, who is in the habit of taking decisions for everyone, will she now try to make the decision for Ishan and control his heart as well? Keep watching this space for हो मैं किसी के प्यार में latest updates which we bring to you right here.
अगर तू इसी तरह से उस सवी की परवाह करता रहा है ना, तो तेरी जिंदगी में ऐसे ही उथल-पुथल मचने वाली है। अगर तुझे अपनी जिंदगी में सुख शांति नहीं चाहिए ना, तो करता रहे ऐसी बेवकूफियां। खड़ा क्या है? जाकर रीवा को मना और कल उसके साथ शादी का जोड़ा लेने भी जाना। अगर किसी की परवाह करनी है ना तुझे, तो रीवा की कर, उसकी खुशियों की कर। समझ ला?